can't see the proper light. If you have never gone through the deepest darkness, you will never truly understand what light means. Life moves in seasons, and every season is certain to change. After fall, always comes winter. After night, always comes day. This has been the rhythm of life for thousands of years, and it never stops. Winter is not just weather. It is also life itself. It can come as heartbreak, failure, loss, or disappointment. Sometimes it feels like everything is falling apart at once. But no winter lasts forever. The purpose of winter is not to break you, but to build you. It teaches you patience when nothing moves forward. It teaches you strength when everything feels heavy. And it teaches you clarity when life becomes silent. Most people give up in their winter because they think it will never end. But those who survive it become different. They become stronger, wiser, and more focused than ever before. Because pain is not punishment, it is preparation. Every struggle carries a lesson hidden inside it. If you learn the lesson, you grow. If you avoid it, you repeat it. Life does not reward comfort, it rewards consistency. You don't need perfect conditions to start. You just need the courage to take the next step. Even if nobody believes in you, you must still believe in yourself. Even if everything is delayed, you must keep moving. Because when your time comes, nothing can stop it. People will only see the result, not the struggle behind it, but you will remember every night you didn't give up. Every time you chose discipline over emotion. That is what builds a real winner. So stop waiting for perfect timing. Start working in your current season. Turn your winter into your training ground. Because the storm will pass, but what you become in it will stay forever. And if you keep going, one day you will look back and realize the winter was your beginning, not your ending. If you found value in this, take one step today and keep moving forward.